And hello everyone! Ay, magandang gabi. Happy Thursday! Bakbakang Mindset kontra Predator. Kanino kayang timpla ang mananaig ngayong Thursday? Bakbakan ng kampiyan na. It's showtime. Bola ng Predator. And the first quarter, 9 minutes and 48. Pull-up jumper. No. Wala pa nakakabutas in the first quarter. Oras natin, 9 minutes and 35 in the first quarter. 15 seconds to shoot. Intercept. Lordson off the glass. No. First 2 points ng Predator. Score natin 2-0. Score natin 2-0. Oras natin 9 minutes and 15 seconds in the first quarter. Ano gagawin dito ng Mindset? Number 29. 10 seconds to shoot. Buena pass. No. Rebound Lordson. Score natin 2-0. Unang bakpakan pa lang to ng SBL. Buena pass. 4-2 nating run ang ginawa dito ng Predator. Score natin 4-0. Ano ang gagawin dito ng Mindset? Running shot. Walang tinamaan doon. Oras natin 8 minutes and 35. Still. Pull up J-Pig to number 23. It's good. Nakabutas na ang Mindset. Score natin 4-2. Dalawang kalamangan dito na Predator in the first quarter. 8 minutes and 10 seconds. Next game natin mga idol, Q&A kontra BNG Water Station. May foul. Ayun, i-chart mo na kay Boss Omar Prado at sa bumubuo ng commissioner ng SBL ang Team Papaw Season 3 Second Conference. Unang bakbakan pa lang to ng SBL. Kaninong timpla ang magwawagi ngayong Thursday? Dahil nandito tayo sa Binangonan Plaza, live nga tayo ngayong Thursday. Score natin 4-3. Isa lang ang kalamangan dito ng Predator kontra Mindset. To number 3. To number 23. Power move. Fake. Huli ka. The Predator done. Score natin 4-3. Pull up J of the glass. Ay, short mo na kay Kobe Disenjo. And the first quarter basket is good. Oras natin 7 minutes and 22. And the first quarter, score natin 6-3. Tatlo ang kalamangan dito ng Predator kontra Mindset. Pull up jumper. No. Score natin 6-3. Oras natin 7 minutes and sadly Lordson. Basket is good. Score natin 8-3. 5 ang kalamangan dito ng Predator in the first quarter. 6 minutes and 45. Traveling violation. 10 over. Sa Mindset yun. Score natin 8-3. Naghahabol nga ang Mindset in the first quarter. 6 minutes and 30. Intercept dito ng Mindset. To number 23. Power move. Is a layup. Is good. Score natin 8-5. Tatlo ang kalamangan dito ng Predator. To number 8. What a pass. Intercept dito ng Mindset. May foul. Oras natin, 5 minutes and 50. And the first quarter, score natin, 8-5.
15-7.
Number 3 to number 2. Ano gagawin dito ng mindset? Pull up jumper. No. Pass the number. Lordson is a layup. Lordson is good. Score natin 10-5. 5 na ang kalamangan ng Predator in the first quarter. Score natin 5-12. Oras natin. Running shot. Oras natin 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Official score 10-5. Lordson. No. Rebound to number 23. Tumatakbo dito. Ang mindset. Power move. Off the glass. No. Rebound Lordson. Pass to number 8. Oras natin, 5 minutes exactly. Official score, 10-5. 5 pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng Predator in the first quarter. Oras natin, 5 minutes exactly. First to second to third. Change player tayo mga idol. Ayun, shoutout muna kay Boss Omar Prado at sa bumubuo ng commissioner ng SBL ng Team Papami Season 3 second conference. Ayun, maraming salamat muna sa sponsor ng SBL. Atid sa inyo ng Alayo Glass and Aluminum, De Brusco Cake and Pastries, Dark Cafe, Q&A Business Management, PNG Water Station, Underground Sportwear, and J2K Audio Light Rental, powered by Bravo Vision and Modern Bright Chat, and GDR Creatives is a layup is good. Score natin 12-5. 7 na ang kalamangan dito ng Predator. And the first quarter, 4 minutes and 10 seconds. For the 3. No. Rebound dito ng Predator. Score natin 12-5. Running shot is good. Score natin 14-5. Lumalayo ang kalamangan dito ng Predator. 3 minutes and 42 in the first quarter.
14-7. 3 minutes 41.
Oras natin, 3 minutes. Ay, shoutout muna kay Falconit Ramiel.
11-7.
Ay, shoutout muna kay Idol Martin Kiel. Disenyo. Score natin, 14-5 in the first quarter. For the 3. Yes, sir! Patid sa inyo ng triple N. And Dunkin' Donut pasalubong ng bayan. Score natin 14-8. Ano gagawin dito ng Predator in the first quarter? Oras natin 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Score natin 14-8. Nakuplay ba ng Predator? Pull up jumper. No. May foul. Si number 28 ng Predator. Oras natin 2 minutes and 57 seconds in the first quarter. Ayun, shoutout mo na kay Boss Omar Prado at sa bumubuo na commissioner ng SBL ang Team Papawi Season 3 second conference. Tumatakbo dito ang Predator. Running shot. Basket is good. Score natin 16-8.
2 minutes 30.
8 ang kalamangan dito ng Predator. Basket is good. Oras natin 2 minutes and 22 in the first quarter. Score natin 16-10.
2 minutes 50.
Nahan ka naman. Lalagay.
Nagalive ko nga. Laro nila yun.
Oo nga. Score natin 16-10. Anim ang kalamangan dito ng Predator. Pull-up jumper. No. May foul. Mamaya natin. 8:30. Oras natin 1 minute and 54 and first quarter. When a pass, fake, side step, scored! Score natin 16-12. Baba na sa apat ang kalamangan ng Predator and first quarter. May foul.
First personal foul. 17-72. 1 minute 30.
Oras natin 1 minute and 30 and the first quarter. Bola pa rin ng Predator. Huli ka. Score natin 16-12. Apat pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng Predator. Wala pass. Huli. Intercept dito ng Predator. Nakalinong bola. Score natin 16-12. Naghahabol pa rin ang mindset. Wala pass. Fake. 3 seconds violation.
58-7.
Oras natin 58 seconds. And the first quarter. Pull up jumpers. Good. Pati sa inyo ng SBL yan. And Dunkin Donut pasalubong ng bayan. Score natin 18-12. 40 seconds and the first quarter.
15 seconds to shoot.
15 seconds to shoot. 35 seconds. 18-12. Nag-aabol pa rin ang mindset. And the first quarter. 5 seconds to shoot. To number 12 for the 3. No. Score natin 18-12. 20 seconds. And the first quarter. For the 3. Airball. 10 seconds. And the first quarter. To number 7. What a pass. Off the glass. No. Second try. Third try. Wala pa rin. And the first quarter. Score natin 18-12. Abante pa rin ang Predator kontra mindset. And the first quarter. Second quarter na tayo. Shoutout mo na kay Boss Omar Prado at sa bumubuo ng commissioner ng SBL ang Team Papaw Season 3 Second Conference. Manaratingin lamang ba ang Predator o makakabalik dito sa second quarter? Ang mindset, score natin 18-12. Nag-ahabol nga ang mindset. Oras natin 9 minutes and 52. No. Put back second try. To number 8. Side step. This is Cardi. Basket is good. Score natin 20-12. 8 ang kalamangan dito ng Predator. Second quarter, 9 minutes and 30. Airball. Time out. Mindset. Score natin 20-12. 8 ang kalamangan dito ng Predator. 9 minutes and 25. Ayan. Maraming salamat na kay Boss Omar Prado at sa bumubuo ng commissioner ng SBL ng Team Papaw Season 3 Second Conference. Ay, maraming salamat din sa sponsor ng SBL at sa inyo ng Alayo Glass and Aluminum, ni Brusco Cake and Pastries, Dark Cafe, Q&A Business Management, BNG Distant Water Station, Underground Sportwear, G2K Audio Light Rental, powered by Brown Official and Modern Bright Chat and GDR Creatives. Balik action tayo. Score natin 20-12. 9 minutes and 20 second quarter. Ano gagawin dito ng mindset? Power mob. May foul na sa baba ng idol.
Number 24.
Score natin, 20-12. Abante pa rin ang Predator and a second quarter for the 3. No! Power rebound. Jump ball.
Yapon, possession araw natin, Predator. Predator ball. Yan yung bola kanina.
Oras natin 8 minutes and 59. In the second quarter, 20-12. Abante nga ang Predator second quarter to number 0. What a pass! Reverse! Stepping up the line. 10 over sa Predator. Score natin, 20-12. Nag-ahubal pa rin ang mindset. In the second quarter, 20-12. Number 23, power move. Dalawa kalaban. Traveling violation. Overstep ka. 10 over.
8 minutes 20.
Sa mindset. Oras natin, 8 minutes and 20. In the second quarter. Number 0. Ano gagawin dito ng Predator? In the second quarter. 20-12. 10 seconds to shoot. Fake. Pull up jumper 15 footers. Good! Oras natin 8 minutes exactly second quarter. 22-12. 10 na ang kalamangan dito ng Predator. In the second quarter, back to back. Traveling ang mindset doon. 10 over. Back to back yun. Score natin 22-12. Oras natin, 7 minutes and 35. 10 over sa Predator. Hindi nagkaamo yan. Ang Predator doon, 10 over. Oras natin, 7 minutes and 29. And the second quarter, 22-12. Ano gagawin dito ng mindset for the 3? Yes, sir! Atid sa inyo ng SBL and Dunkin' Donut, pasalubong ng bayan. 22-15. Nag-aabol pa rin ang mindset dito, second quarter. To number 0, oras natin, 7 minutes exactly. To number 8, for the 3, babawi ba? No. Oras natin, 6 minutes and 50. And a second quarter. Score natin, 22-15. Baba sa 7 ang kalamangan dito ng Predator. Wanna pass, number 28, fake. To number 23, pull-up jumper. No. Intercept dito. Steal. To number 3. Spin move. Nawala yung bola. Jump ball.
Mindset ball. Mindset. 14 seconds.
Oras natin, 6 minutes and 23. In the second quarter, 22-15. 10 seconds to shoot. To number 23, pull-up jumper. No. Bola pa rin ng mindset. Score natin, 22-15. Wala pass. Power move. Walang tinamaan doon. Second try. May foul.
Andito referee. Para kayo. Number 15. First personal foul, second team foul. 6 minutes exactly. 14 seconds.
Knockout play. No. Score natin, 22-15. 5 minutes and 50. Big. Power move. Off the glass. Good. What a pass, fake. May foul. Score natin 24-15. Oras natin 5 minutes and 34. And a second quarter.
Dalawang free throw. Para kayo.
Unang tira, hatid sa inyo ng SBL yan. And Dunkin' Donut, pasalubong ng bayan. Unang tira, mintis yan. 24 24-15. Score natin to number 8. Didiscard. No. Rebound number 24. Stepping up the line. Oras natin. 5 minutes and 20. In the second quarter. 24-15. Naghahabol pa rin ang mindset. Nako play. Basket is good. Oras natin. 5 minutes exactly. First to second to third. Change player tayo. 24-17. Pito ang kalamangan ng Predator. Ayun, shoutout mo na kay Boss Omar Prado. At sa bumubuo ng commissioner ng SBL, ang Team Papawi Season 3 Second Conference. Ayun, magandang gabi sa inyo. Happy Thursday. Live na tayo dito sa Binangonan Plaza. Ayun, kahapon nasa BRCC tayo. Ngayon, nandito naman tayo sa Binangonan Plaza. Takbakang Mindset kontra Predator to number 7. Pull-up jumper off the glass. No, may foul. Pushing foul. Ang Predator doon. Oras natin. 4 minutes and 37 seconds. 24-17. Nag-aabol pa rin ang Mindset. Shoutout mo na kay Lara Emanuel. Magandang gabi sa inyo. Happy Thursday for the 3. Yes, sir! Atid sa inyo ng SBL and Dunkin Donut. Pasalubong ng bayan. O number 13, babawi ba? No, rebound number 7. 24-20. Babala sa apat ang kalamangan ng Predator to number 7. Well, a pass of the glass. Good! Oras natin, 3 minutes and 55. Baba sa dalawa ang kalamangan ng Predator. May foul. 24-12. Oras natin, 3 minutes and 51. And the second quarter is good. Number 5 ng Predator. Maraming salamat muna kay Boss Omar Prado. At sa bumubuo ng commissioner ng SBL, ng Team Papawi Season 3, Second Conference, basket is good. 2-4-2. And number 5 ng Predator, 26-22. Apat ang kalamangan ng Predator. Ano gagawin dito ng Mindset? Second quarter, 3 minutes and 40. For the 3. No! Oras natin, 3 minutes and 31. In the second quarter, Lordson, pull-up jumper. Lordson, put back number 5. No. Oras natin, 3 minutes and 20. Unang bakbakan pa lang to ng SBL. At Team Papawis, foul! Basket and 1. Hatid sa inyo ng SBL yan. Dunkin Donut, pasalubong ng bayan. Penalty na ang Predator. Oras natin, 3 minutes and 9 seconds. Bonus shot yan. Okay, number 8 ng Mindset. 26-24. Bonus shot is good. 26. Boss, 25 ba yan? Boss, 25 ba yan? Then yung kabila. Ayan, 26. Score natin, 26-25. Baba sa isang kalamangan ng Predator. Rebound number 21. To number 7. Tumatakbo dito ang Mindset. To number 7, apat ang kalaban niya dito. Maghihintay mo ng rest back. Pull up, jumper! Good! Time out! Predator! Lamang na! Lamang na ang Mindset. 27-26. Galing sa 10 yan. Ngayon, lamang na ang Mindset. 27-26.
Time out lang. minutes 20.
Ayun, shoutout mo na kay
Second game.
Kuya Erin Season at sa Family Season 27-26. Ito na ba yun? Hinahanap ng mindset in a second quarter. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Lordson for the 3. No! 27-26. Pagkakataon. Madagdagan ang kalamangan dito ng mindset second quarter. 2 minutes and 5 seconds. 27-26. To number 7. To number 12. Huli ka. Welcome to SBL. 4 and 2 labanan. May foul.
Alright, number 7. Second personal foul. Second team.
Ayun, shoutout mo na kay Idol Israel Francia. Ayun, live na live nga tayo dito sa Binangonan Plaza. Happy Thursday mga idol at magandang gabi. Ayun, nandito nga tayo sa Binangonan Plaza. Kahapon nagandang laban sa BRCC. Ngayon, bakbaka naman ng Predator kontra Mindset. 28-27. Balik sa kalamangan sa Predator. 1 minute and 40 second quarter. 28-27 to number 7. 15 second to shoot. To number 30. Intercept dito ng Predator. Number 37. 4 and 2 labanan. Off the glass. Basket is good. 30-27. Balik sa tatlo ang kalamangan ng Predator. Number 7, Aragones. May blocking foul ang ihahatol ng referee natin. Si number 37. Penalty na ang Predator. 30-27. And a second quarter, 1 minute and 10 seconds. May pagkakataon. Mabawasan ang kalamangan dito ng Predator. Unang tira. No. Atid sa inyo ng SBL yan. Samaang basketball ng Team Papawis. Season 3. Second conference. 30-27. No. Power rebound Lordson. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Second quarter. Next game natin. VNG Distal Water Station kontra QNA Business Manage. Oro pala.
Number 21.
May foul.
First personal foul. Third team foul.
Oras natin 58 seconds. Second quarter. Ay, shoutout mo na kay Boss Omer Prado. At sa bumubuo ng commissioner ng SBL, ang Team Papawi Season 3 pull-up jumper. Power rebound number 21. Napaganda po. Naluwa ng ring. Rebound pa rin ng Predator. May foul. Offensive foul. Sayang yung opportunity ng Predator. Offensive foul. Oras natin. 43 seconds. Ay, shoutout mo na kay Kuya Jobel Escalona. At sa Family Escalona, mga idol. 30-27. 35 seconds for the 3. Airball. Lordson, rebound. 30 seconds. Lordson, wala pass. It's good. Atid sa inyo ng SBL yan. And Dunkin Donut, pasalubong ng bayan. 32-27. Binali pa. No. Rebound na kanino. Bola pa rin ng Predator. 10 seconds to number 5. Hang times. Good. 5 seconds. And a second quarter. At the buzzer. And a second quarter. 34-27. Pito ang ibabaon ng Predator. And a second half. Ayun, shoutout mo na kay Boss Omer Prado at sa bumubuo na commissioner ng SBL ng Team Papawi Season 3 Second Conference. Ay, maraming salamat din sa sponsor ng SBL. Hatid sa inyo ng Aleo Glass and Aluminum, Bibrusco Cake and Pastries, Dark Cafe, QNA Business Management, BNG Distal Water Station, Underground Sportwear, J2K Audio Night Rental, powered by Bravo Official, and Modern Bright Chat, and GDR Creatives. Balik action tayo. Mananatiling lamang ba ang Predator o makakabalik sa third quarter ang mindset? 34-27. Ayun, magandang gabi sa inyo. Happy Thursday mga idol. Live na live nga tayo dito sa Binangonan Plaza. Ano gagawin? Pull up jumper off the glass. No. To number 28. Score natin. 34-27. Nag-ahabol pa rin ang mindset. 43. Page. Pull up jumper. 15-footer. No. To number 0. Take the layup. No. Same ball tayo. Oras natin, 9 minutes and 30. 17 seconds to shoot. 34-27. Pull up jumper. No. Score natin, 34-27. Nag-ahabol pa rin ang mindset. Third quarter na tayo mga idol. 15 seconds to shoot. 9 minutes and 10 seconds. Wala play! Nako-play! Hindi lang nakumpleto. Yung layup na yun. Number 2. Pull up jumper. No!
Foul by Bausa. First personal foul. First team foul.
Score natin 34-27, 10 over sa Predator. Ay, shoutout man na kay Idol Michael Arago and One Ecology Award. Ay, magandang gabi. Happy Thursday mga idol. Bakbakang mindset kontra Predator. 34-27. Offensive foul. Si number 29 na mindset. 8 minutes and 22 and the third quarter. Abante pa rin ang Predator. 34-27. 10 over. Intercept dito na mindset to number 19. Isa layup is good.
8 minutes exactly.
Oras natin 8 minutes exactly in the third quarter. 34-29. Wala pass. Up the glass. Basket is good. Bawi ka agad. Yung ginawa dito ng mindset. 36-29. Balik sa pito ang kalamangan. Na Predator wanna play. No, hindi lang nakompleto. Yung tirang yan. Tumatakbo dito ang Predator. Wala fake, wala shot. No. To number 23. So, 7 minutes and 30. To number 29. Wala pass. It's good.
36-31.
36-31. 10
Predator.
over sa Predator. Ay, next game natin, B&G. Water Station kontra Q&A Business Management. Next game natin yan, second game. Hold up jumper. No. Score natin 36-31.
14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. 7 minutes.
Oras natin, 7 minutes exactly. And the third quarter. Abante pa rin ng Predator. Nakuplay ba ng mindset? Number 23, no. Score natin, 36-31, 6 minutes and 49 point. Pull up J, no. Rebound number 2, power move, wala pass. No, niluwa ng report back, second try, third try. Wala pa rin sa Predator yan, sayang yan. 36-31. To number 3, no. Ayaw talaga pumasok, both team. To number 0. Wala pass, 4 and 1 na labanan. 3 seconds violation. Sayang naman yun. Sa pagkakataon na yun, nakatulad pa ng 3 seconds ang Predator doon. 36-31. May foul.
Second personal foul. Timeout. Mindset.
Timeout, mindset. Oras natin, 6 minutes and 15. 36-31. 5 ang kalamangan dito ng Predator and the third quarter. 6 minutes and 15. Ayun, shoutout muna kay Boss Omar Prado at sa bumubuo ng commissioner ng SBL Team Papawi Season 3 Second Conference. Ayun, maraming salamat din sa sponsor ng SBL. Hatid sa inyo ng Alayo Glass and Aluminum, De Brusco kay Capastris, Dark Cafe, DNA Business Management, BNG Water Station, Underground Sportwear, J2K Ojal Night Rental, Powerband Modern Bright Shot, Nako Play still is a layup, is good. And GDR Creatives, 38-31. Oras na 6 minutes exactly in the third quarter. Power move. Huli, kaso may foul. Si number 2, number 7 pala, ng Predator. First personal foul. First team foul. 38-31. Pagkakataon, pabuhasan ang kalamangan dito ng Predator. Basket is good. Hatid sa inyo ng SBL yan. 38-32. Nag-ahabol pa rin niya. Ang mindset in the third quarter is good. 2 for 2. Score natin 38-33. Baba sa 5 ang kalamangan ng Predator. To number 0. 5 minutes and 40 in the third quarter. 10 seconds to shoot. To number 2. Pull up jumper. Short. 5 minutes and 30. 38-33. Intercept. May foul.
Number 8. Third personal foul. Third team foul. 16-7.
Ay, shoutout mo na kay Boss Jason James Diaz. Ay, magandang gabi sa inyo. Happy Thursday. Bakbakang mindset kontra Predator. Power move, pull up jumper. No. Lagdalag nga tayo dito sa Binangonan Plaza. 3-on-2 labanan. Wala pass. Number 0, beautiful pass. Gandang amo yan dito ng Predator. Oras natin 5 minutes exactly in the third quarter. Kaninong timpla kaya ang mananalo ngayong gabi? Ang Predator ba? O ang mindset? Kaya nga abante dito ang Predator. 40-33, 5 minutes exactly. Ay, shoutout mo na kay Boss Omar Prado at sa bumubuo ng commissioner ng SBL ng Team Papawi Season 3 Second Conference. Ano ang gagawin dito ng mindset? 40-33, 4 minutes and 49. Wala pass. Power move. Hindi lang nakakumpleto ng mindset yan. Number 37, 40-33 in the third quarter. Wala pass. Fake shot. No. Oras natin 4 minutes and 30 in the third quarter. Score natin 40-33. Next game natin BNG Distant Water Station kontra QNA Business Management. And bakbakan ng first game natin, Mindset kontra Predator for the 3. No. Pass to number 37. Oras natin 4 minutes and 5 seconds. Jump ball.
Bola na mindset. Mindset tayo, mindset.
Pakita mo pala, kaya pala, tinatawag mo ko eh. Kita mo yan, ano?
Intercept dito ng Predator. 40-33 to number 37. Wala pass. It's good. 42-33. Lumalayo ang kalamangan dito ng Predator. Wala pass. Hindi pa natira yun. Sayang yun. Pagkakataon yun sa Medsen. Tumatakbo dito ang Predator. Pass to number 15. Maghihintay mo na rest back. Pull up jumper. Score! Hatid sa inyo ng SPL yan. And Dunkin Donut, pasalubong ng bayan. 44-33. For the 3. No! Power rebound. May foul sa baba.
Number 24.
44-33. 11 na ang kalamangan ng Predator. And the third quarter. 3 minutes exactly ng idol. And the third quarter to number 30. Intercept dito. 10 over sa mindset. 44-33. 2 minutes and 50. And the third quarter. 11 na ang kalamangan ng Predator. And the third quarter. 2 minutes and 40. 10 seconds to shoot pull up jumper. No. Oras natin 2 minutes and 32. To number 8 spin mo fake shot. Foul. Gandang galaw niyan. Hindi lang nakumpleto yung bonus shot.
Second personal foul. Penalty. Dalawa free throw.
44-33 ang score natin. Nag-aabol pa rin ang mindset kontra Predator. And a third quarter 2 minutes and 20. Second try number 6. It's good. 44-34. 10 ang kalamangan dito ng Predator. And the third quarter, 2 minutes and 14 seconds. Na kaninang bola? Bola ng mindset. 44-34. What a beautiful pass. It's good. 44-36. Baba sa 8 ang kalamangan ng mindset. 1 minute and 50 and the third quarter. 44-36. Intercept dito. Na kanina bola. Put back. Now, rebound number 21. Basket is good. 46-36. 1 minute and 30. To number 30. Balik sa 10 ang kalamangan ng Predator. 15 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 17 seconds. And the third quarter. Baseline. It's good. 46-38. Abante pa rin ang Predator. 1 minute and exactly. Number 5. Discarded. Pull up jumper. No. Pass to number 30. Pull up J. Rebound pa rin. Pass to number 30. Wala pa rin. Sa mindset yun. 46-38. Wala pass. Basket is good. 30 seconds. 48-38. For the 3. Yes, sir. 48-41. 10 seconds. Pull up jumper. No. Wanna pass. Wanna pick. No. 5 seconds. 2. At the buzzer. And a third quarter. 48. 41. 48-41. Ayan. Shoutout mo na kay Boss Omer Prado.
41 na.
At sa bumubuo ng commissioner ng SBL ng Team Papawis Season 3 Second Conference, ay maraming salamat din. Ay maraming salamat din sa sponsor ng SBL. Hatid sa inyo ng Alayo Glass and Aluminum, The Brusco Cake and Pastries, Dark Cafe, Q&A Business Management, BNG Water Station, Underground Sportwear, J2K Ojal Night Rental, powered by Bravo Official, and Modern Bright Shot, and GDR Creatives. Balik action tayo. Final quarter na tayo, fourth quarter. Okay, tama yun. Tama. 48-41 official score.
Oh, yan yung dalawa nila.
Balik action tayo. Final quarter, fourth quarter. 48-41. 9 minutes and 57 seconds. Pull up jumper. Basket is good. 50-41. Balik sa siya makalamangan na Predator. And the final quarter, fourth quarter. Wala pass. Fake. Shot. Foul. Basket and one. Hatid sa inyo ng SBL yan.
Gusto nga, number 21. Number 2.
50-43.
Next personal foul.
Bonus shot kay number 23 ng mindset. No. Put back number 19. Basket is good. 50-45. Baba sa limang kalamangan ng Predator. 9 minutes and 20. What a pass to number 2. 9 minutes. Lordson to number 8. Nakaninang bala.
May foul. Wala.
Same ball.
11 seconds.
Oras natin, 9 minutes exactly. Knockout play. No.
Oy, agaw.
Still Lordson. Is a layup. Is good.
52-45.
52-45. 8 minutes and 45. And the final quarter, fourth quarter. Sino kaya? Kaninong timpla ang mananalo ngayong gabi, ngayong Thursday? Daig na tayo dito sa Binangonan Plaza. 52-45. Oras natin 8 minutes and 20. And the final quarter, fourth quarter. 52-45. Ayun, shoutout man na kay Boss Omer Prado. At sa bumubuo ng commissioner ng SBL, ang Team Papawis Season 3 Second Conference. Bakbakang mindset kontra Predator. Ayun, next game natin mga idol. BNG Water Station kontra Q&A Business Management. Second game natin yung mga idol. Ay, manood muna kang bakbakang Predator kontra Mindset. First game pa lang to ng SBL. 52-45. Abante nga ang Predator. Pull up jumper. No. Second try. Number 28. Pull up jumper. Fake. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 minutes exactly. And the fourth quarter. To number 23. Power move. Huli ka. 24 seconds violation. 10 over. Sa mindset yun, magandang depensa ang ginawa dito ng Predator. 52-45. 7 minutes and 52. Pull up jumper. Score! 54-45. Balik sa siyang kalamangan ng Predator. And the final quarter, fourth quarter. 7 minutes and 32. Intercept na Predator. Wanna pass. Is a layup. Is good.
56-45. 7 minutes 20.
56-45. Balik sa 11 ang kalamangan na Predator. Pull-up jumper is good. 56-47. 7 minutes and 5 seconds in the fourth
7
quarter.
minutes exactly.
To number 2, Lordson. Basket is good. Gandang pass yan sa Predator. 58-47. 6 minutes and 52. Wanna pass. Pull up J. Basket is good. Back-to-back basket yan. Okay, number 23.
6 minutes 40.
Oras na ng 6 minutes and 40. In the final quarter, fourth quarter, 58-49. Abante pa rin ang Predator intercept na Magent. May foul.
Number 21. First personal foul. Second team foul.
58-49. Nag-aabol pa rin ang Magent to number 7. Ano gagawin dito ng Magent? Reverse. No. Rebound number 7. 7 second to shoot. Running shot. No. Niluwa ng ring. Nakanino ang bola. To number 29. Off the glass. Good.
6 minutes exactly.
Oras natin. 6 minutes exactly in the fourth quarter. 58-51. Rebound number 3. Tumatakbo dito ang Magent. To number 3. Huli ka. Number 71.
5 minutes 40.
Oras natin, 5 minutes and 40 in the fourth quarter. 58-51. For the 3. Wala pass. Running shot off the glass. Basket is good.
61. 5 minutes 30.
Oras natin, 5 minutes and 22. In the fourth quarter, 60. 51. Traveling violation.
Now left. Kabila.
Score natin, 60-51. Siyam ang kalamangan ng Predator. In the fourth quarter, 5 minutes and 10 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot to number 8. Pull up jumper, number 2. No! Still, 60-51. 4 minutes and 50. Number 7. No! Oras natin, 4 minutes and 45. And the fourth quarter, 60-51. Fake. Number 21, pull up Jeep. What a pass. No. Oras natin, 4 minutes and 30.
4 minutes 29.
Timeout. Mindset. 60-51. Siyam ang kalamangan dito ng Predator. And the final quarter, fourth quarter. Next game natin, BNG Water Station kontra Q&A Business Management. And maraming salamat muna kay Boss Omar Prado at sa bumubuo ng commissioner ng SBL ng Team Papawi Season 3 Second Conference. Balik aksyon tayo. Ayan, magandang gabi. Happy Thursday mga idol. Live na live nga tayo dito sa Binangonan Plaza. Bakbakang Mindset kontra Predator. 60-51. Naghahabol nga ang Mindset dito in the fourth quarter. 4 minutes and 20 to number 7. Ano gagawin dito ng Mindset? 10 seconds to shoot for the 3. No! To number 2. Tatlo kalaban na dito. Maghihintay mo ng rest back ang Predator. 60-51. Oras natin, 4 minutes exactly. Power move, spin move. to number 21.
7 seconds.
For the 3. No! May foul.
Warning for penalty. Number 21 seconds left on the foul. 3 minutes 45. Torres, warning for good place of play.
Oras natin, 3 minutes and 45. Naghahabol pa rin ang mindset in the fourth quarter, final quarter. 3 minutes and 39 for the 2. Wala pa rin sa mindset dyan. 60-51 in the fourth quarter. When a fake one, a shot is good! 62-51. Balik sa 11 ang kalamangan ng Predator. Our move by foul.
Ang tercero, penalty.
Penalty na ang Predator.
Personal foul ng tercero. Ang rest,
Score natin 62-51. May pagkakataon mabawasan ang kalamangan ng Predator. 3 minutes and 11 seconds. And the final quarter, fourth quarter. No! Ayun, next game natin mga idol. BNG Distant Water Station kontra QNA Business Management. No! Oras natin, 3 minutes and 5 seconds in the fourth quarter. 62-51. What a pass! Foul! Ay, short mo na kay Boss Edward Arada at sa SBB at sa mga basketball ng SBB mga idol.
2 minutes 57.
Oras natin, 2 minutes and 57 seconds. Ay na final quarter, fourth quarter. Naghahabol pa rin ng mindset 62-51. No! Number 7. Ano gagawin dito ng mindset in the fourth quarter, final quarter? 62-51. What a pass! No!
Number 21.
62-51, intercept. Still.
15.
4 and 1 na labanan. Wala pass! It's good! 64-51. Oras natin, 2 minutes and 20. And the final quarter, fourth quarter. To number 6. Naghahabol pa rin ang mindset. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Wala pass! Napaganda pa. Second try. May foul.
After 21. Third personal foul. Number 21 out. Number 0 out. 23. Third personal. Last 2 minutes tayo.
Last 2 minutes. Hatid sa inyo ng SBL. Basket is good. 64-53. 11 ang kalamangan ng Predator in the fourth quarter, final quarter. Number 5. Basket is good. 66-53. 13 ang kalamangan ng Predator, running shot. No. Oras natin. 1 minute. 1 minute and 37 seconds. And the fourth quarter, final quarter. Short mo na kay Boss Omar Prado. As sa bumubuo ng commissioner ng SBL and Team Papawi Season 3 second conference. Huli ka.
11 seconds to shoot. 1 minute 30.
Oras natin, 1 minute and 30 in the fourth quarter. 66-53. 10 seconds to shoot for the three. Airball.
1 minute, 18 seconds.
Oras natin, 1 minute and 18 seconds. And the final quarter, fourth quarter. Number 29, power move. Baseline. Power move, no! 66-53.
Ay, nawala na naman kay India.
Oras natin, 1 minute and 5 seconds.
Ay, dito, 1 minute, 5 seconds.
Ayan, maraming salamat muna sa sponsor ng SBL. Ayan, hatid sa inyo ng Aleo Glass and Aluminum, Di Brusco Cake and Pastries, Guard Cafe, Q&A Business Management, BNG Water Station, Underground Sportwear, J2K Audio Light Rental, powered by Bravo Official and Modern Bright Shot and GTR Creatives. Balik action tayo in the fourth quarter, final quarter. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Abante nga ng 13. Ang Predator 66-53 in the fourth quarter. Fake, number 6 to number 7. Bring the ball, number 7, they discarded. Wala pass! No! Second try, fake. Huli ka! 49 seconds. Lordson is a layup. It's good.
40 seconds.
40 seconds. 68-53. Yes, sir.
40, 55.
68-55. 30 seconds.
56 pala. 3 minutes na pala.
Official score 68-56.
10 seconds.
20 seconds. Lordson for the three. No. 15 seconds. And the fourth quarter.
10,
Is a layup. Is good.
10 seconds.
68-58. 5 seconds in the fourth quarter.
5. Okay na.
Ayan, final score 68-58. Sampo ang kalamangan dito ng Predator. And the final quarter, fourth quarter. Ayan, congrats both team. Mindset kontra Predator. Ayan, at sa bumubo ng SBL, ang Team Papawi Season 3, second conference.
At bayani.
At maraming salamat muna
At bayani.
kay Boss Omar Prado. At sa bumubuo ng komisyoner ng SBL ng Team Papawi Season 3 second conference. Maraming salamat sa sponsor ng SBL, Aleo Glass and Aluminum, Di Brusco Cake and Pastries, Dark Cafe, Q&A Business Management, BNG Water Station, Underground Sportwear, J2K Audio Light Rental, powered by Modern Bright Shot and Bravo Official and GDR Creatives. Ay, magandang gabi. Thanks for watching. Second game natin. Q&A Business Management kontra BNG Water Station. Final score 68-58. Nanaig nga ang Predator kontra Mindset.